Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a great Friday. Hey, we are at the weekend again. Yay! Well, today we are going to be starting this peony one that I got from Fansells. And it says 41 by 124 centimeters. And we're starting right here on this red flower. Sorry, about missed the whole thing. Red flower right in here. And the color that I'm using is 321 red. It is my Christmas red. So, how is everybody doing? I hope you're going to have a fantastic weekend. Do something fun and exciting. Interesting. I'm trying to figure out which way this is supposed to go. Okay. Geez, I got it upside down, if you hadn't noticed. Yeah, I either stitch sideways or upside down. It never seems to fail. Nothing much going on here. I get to go do the laundry later. Isn't that exciting? I know. Fun stuff, huh? Yesterday, I went to the grocery store late and went and got the stuff for beef stir fry. And I came home and cooked that all up. That was quite fun. So, we'll beef stir fry is going to be the flavor for the weekend. So I made plenty. So I'll have some leftovers and had to buy some cat food. You know, exciting life stuff, I guess. Holy cow. I'm telling you. Worked on the mega scape yesterday. Got a little more done. I even sat in my rocking chair and looked outside. It was very windy yesterday. Just very windy. But no precipitation that I know of. If it happened while I was asleep. Just didn't see it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, whoops, let's not do that. I almost went over too. That would have been terrible, and I'd have to back that puppy right out. This is nice material. It's not real heavy, which is awesome. Sometimes that thick material just absolutely gets to my hands. Just the idea of holding it. And I got my little, I guess, whoops, hang on, lotus. Trying to figure out which way does it go. Oh, well, it could go either way, huh? Yeah, my little lotus blossoms. Yeah, I couldn't find the red flower one that I was looking for. Oh, it's here. I just didn't feel like looking for it. I should put all the oval ones in one place and all the round ones in another, and then all the animal ones, the animal shaped ones, you know, like my owl, and I have a puppy dog. Oh, I found the one I was looking. This is the one I was looking for. No dice. We're not changing now. So, but I thought I'd just start on this and work on it a little bit. I worked on the dragon a little bit. The new, we'll call it colorful dragon. We only have like 5 colorful dragons, but the newest one. And a little bit on the Provence one. Whoops, no, we don't want that. But this looks very easy to stitch. think it'll be beautiful when it's done. But it doesn't look real confettied or anything bad like that. So, yay! Love that part. And that mega one, the Megascape, is not confettied that bad either. So, I am just happy camper, or happy stitcher. Yeah, because, you know, that stopping and starting stuff just kills me. Or getting another thread. I did take a mini video of the, what do you call it? The color key, so that all I have to do is get it out and look at it. I tried to take pictures, but it was going to be too much of a hassle. So I just made a small video, just went right down it. So it turned out. And that way I don't have to keep looking at the booklet. I gotta say, that booklet does not, it's not as great as that other one. You know, Riverside, or the other one, the Beast. It's so tiny, you cannot tell what the symbols are, and I was going back and forth and back and forth. I was just done. So I made a little video, and I can look for the symbol I want. That way, it'll be much easier to deal with. I did change the needle from the one that I got with it to a smaller, smaller needle. I think I'm using a 26. I didn't want to use a 28, but when you get to putting colors, like, hang on, like if I were to put that blue in there and there was another color where the dark color is, it's real hard to get the needle through. So that's what, whoops, that's why I changed it to a 26. So, yay. So that's working out. I'm happy about that. Well, so, yep, I don't have any plans with my daughter this week. None that to speak of. She hasn't called and said, hey, we're going to Walmart or anything like that. I think she's just relaxing and resting from her trip, because it was so long and took forever. And they stayed one night at a motel, and she said the beds were absolutely horrible. And then the second night they stayed, it was so much better. But she still didn't get a whole lot of sleep on her trip, so we're just gonna let her go. Do whatever she wants. I have no reason to go to Walmart. I went to the grocery store yesterday and spent way too much money. But we're good. We're good. And I had to get some stuff to eat for, like, my Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday night when I work. That way all I have to do is heat up a, what do you call it, a TV dinner type thing. Because the stir fry will be long gone by then. So, whoop, let me put my drink over there. It's blocking the light. So I just didn't do too much yesterday, so I got to get on the stick today and do all the household chores, you know. That's even so much more fun. So, we'll see. And I didn't want to start the seasonal ladies. Not today. I just didn't feel like it. So we'll save August for August, and we'll work on spring and summer some other time. And we may work on the Christmas one when it gets to like, oh, the end of November, you know, like right after Thanksgiving. Work on that one then, and then work on the winter one in February, January, February. So we'll see. We'll leave them out. So other than that, just no grand plans. I think we're doing flowers for May. So get your flowers out to stitch on in May. Tomorrow at 1. I'll have the, what is the month? May Saturday stitching. I wanted to say it the right way. And then, of course, on Sunday we'll have Soothing Sunday stitching. I'm not sure what I'll be stitching for that, though. We'll see. Oh my goodness. I tried to mash this down a little bit. Kind of break it up so it wasn't so... It's not horribly stiff. It just needs a little bit more crunchy. But we're good. Should actually take this when I go to do my laundry. Usually I end up playing a game on my phone or something, waiting for the laundry to get done to be put in the dryer, and then waiting for the dryer. But I usually don't take kits unless they're packed very well. I did make a bag for this. I put it all in one of the smaller bags, not the ginormous one. What did we do here? Oh, for pity's sake, I love when it does that. There we go. Couldn't get it to come back. I don't know what that blue color is. Can't read it upside down. 21. Oh, of course I can't see it. 21 is, it's a dark brick red. It's 815. So hopefully I'll have time to sit down today and just stitch for a while and watch TV. I stitched with Jill Green on her channel yesterday, and I stitched with Amy from Stitchery Lovers. I can't remember. I watched Stitcherella had an unboxing. And so did, what's her name? Natalia. I hope she's doing better. She just got back from her vacation. I hope that all went well. And where is Corey? I haven't seen Corey in a while from Swinny Switch Effect. And I haven't seen Owl, O-W-L, be stitching. Haven't seen her for a while. Saw Shelby. I think it's called Stitching with Shelby. But she sounded like she had a cold. And the winds have been high and it blows all the pollen around, so I don't get sick exactly. I just get a stuffy nose every once in a while. And this morning when I was trying to do the video for Biggest Craft, my throat kept cracking. It almost got over it, I think. So if you hear my voice cracking, I'm sorry. Oh, speaking of the devil, here it comes. I'm moving over. Oh, come on, silly thing. This is kind of in the middle of the canvas here. I didn't know where else to start. I didn't want to start on the side, so I thought I'd just start with a flower. I think they are such pretty flowers. I like that bird too. I don't know. He's disappeared. He's down that way somewhere. I don't even see him in sight. I rolled the canvas up so that I could get it to stay in one place, but yeah. Oops. So I'll see if I can put some more stitching into this one today when I get ready to sit down. And I got out 2 strands of one color on the Mega one because I wanted to do all that. I found out it was horrible. I stitched everything else but this black too. And once I got everything else around it, it was really hard to see it. So I'm going to have to take that, and that's 3371, that dark brown, and stitch like outline areas before I put any other colors in there. So yeah, it was a little bit much. That's why I moved on to the dragon for a little bit and did something else. And yeah, I got it done, but my eyes got very tired. And some of those symbols are kind of hard to see on that brown canvas. Like I said, it's about 2 shades darker than that other, it's like a town scene that I have, that I got way back, probably from either AliExpress or VIP. I can't remember. It's been a hot moment. And it's just not that dark. It's very easy to see the symbol. So, I don't know. Alright, guys. Well, I think that is going to be about it for today. I know we didn't get very much done. But, hey, place to go, people to see, things to do. Yeah. Exciting. Exciting. Alright, guys. Thanks for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. God bless. Keep stitching.